Hi, my name is Henry Ike, the founder of Ike.Finance. Today we're starting a series called Monday Motivational, where we bring you handy tips on how to achieve or build a pathway to home ownership sooner. And today's topic is how to improve your credit score. And I have 3 tips for you today. 1, pay your bills on time. This boosts your credit score and puts you in a better position to have your loan approved. Number 2, minimize multiple credit inquiries from different lenders because it does impact on your overall credit score. Number 3, be mindful of short-term lenders such as buy now, pay later, because it's a sign of your inability to manage your cash flow from the point of view of lenders. Now, for more tips, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Ike.Finance. See you next week for more in the series of Monday Motivational. Thank you.